Hello everyone, I'm Daniel from Cryptomathings and today we're going to be reviewing Gemland and we're also going to check out their white paper and gameplay later, so stay tuned for that. Let's review their website first. Gemland is an economic NFT game on the Wax blockchain. Mine resources, build trade relationship, explore new skills and opportunities in this world, control dragons, build ship, get paid for owning land, play and earn. So as you can see, you can just control dragon, you can build ship, there's also going to be land that you can own and earn income passively. So let's check it further. As you can see, this is their leaderboard. They have a leaderboard where they have all the players that they own, their gem holders. As you can see, there's a complete list of almost 271 players. And what do you get for the leaderboard? Let's see here. Prizes and rewards. The top 20 holders will be rewarded. In addition to that, every fifth number will also be rewarded up to 70th position, namely 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 65, 70. In each this way, anyone can become a winner, even if there is not much money to hold position in the top 20, like these are the top 10. The winner will receive a unique share of gems immediately after the release of the game. You will be able to stock them and earn passive income in the game. Read more about it in the white paper. As you can see, these are the points. 1 point is equal to common hero slash tool, 3 point is equal to uncommon hero slash tool, 9 point is equal to race hero slash tool. I mean, these are all the rewards that you can get from for holders. This is the lore behind the game, the history. You can read this. Now let's talk about what the game is about, the features. Gemland is a world of variety and freedom of choices. Pick combination to suit your preference. So first of all, there are heroes that you can select. There are three races, like yeah, these are three factions. We'll talk about them later. Then there are tools that you need to mine stuff. Without mine resources, there is no further growth. Then there are dragons. Dragons mine the most used resources in the game, gems. Each faction can own a dragon if their budget allows. So as you can see, you can also own dragons. There's also ships. Ships are used to transport heroes between islands. You don't have to have your own ship to cross the sea, but ships or they will charge a transport fee. There are several types of ships and each has its own characteristics. And there are also going to be lands that are going to come in later. Allow you to receive passive income from the commission of all the heroes and tools. So you can earn passive income just by owning the land. So like I told you before, there are three factions: humans, elves, and dwarves. As you can see, humans mine human coin in a trade relation. Their best ability is to extract wood. Elves mine elves coin in trade relationship when their best ability is hunting. And dwarves mine dwarves coin in trade relationship. Their best ability is gold mining. As you can see, choose your faction wisely so you know what you are doing. And these are the tools: axes, pickaxes, and bows. Axes are used for wood, pickaxes for mine gold, and bows for food. This is a diagram that they have made perfectly explaining all the game mechanics. You can refer to this for further detail. And now let's check out your roadmap. August 2022, creating NFT, creating channels in social networks, website release, smart contract registration. September 2022, collaboration and partnership, social media marketing, getting whitelisted Atomic Hub, settling passes. October 2022, game beta, aggressive marketing, characters and tools scale. November 2022, Dragon Sale, Ships and Modifiers Sale, Game Launch, Land Sale. December 2022, new mechanics for burning and attracting players, level up system, launch at mobile app, risky game mode, announcing plans for 2023. As you can see, they have a pretty detailed roadmap. And when you want to follow a website, like I always say, you should always follow them on Twitter, so you can be keep up to date about all the information about them. Now let's check out their white paper. So how to start? To start, first of all, you're gonna need an account. You're gonna need an account of Vax or Anchor. If you're gonna make a Vax account, this is a perfect guide to Vax. As you can see, the complete guide to Vax Cloud Wallet in 2021. I mean, it's 2021, but still doesn't really matter. It's completely working even now. So you can just follow this and completely understand Vax blockchain. I will share this link in my description so you can make an account for Vax. Now, when you have a account, what do you need to do? Let's say just go to keys. Keys. What are the keys and what are the benefits? Keys is an NFT designed as a pass to all Gemland NFT sales. In addition, they have great advantage in the game. There are two types of keys: premium keys and standard keys. Let's see premium keys. Premium keys have guaranteed allocation for each of the project's ongoing sales, which can guarantee you a purchase of any of the NFT offering. The benefit of the premium keys in the game: daily mining, moon multipliers equal to 1, unlock 6 hero slots at no cost. I will show you what are these hero slots later when we review the game. Standard keys. For standard key, there's also an allocation for each of the project's ongoing sale, but it won't be enough to guarantee a purchase. So as you can see here, if you have a premium key, you are guaranteed to get an NFT, but if the standard key, then there's a chance. So you have to be lucky. Preparing for your lease. So this is gonna explain all the key mechanics, like how to stake key, how to use profession, how to slot allocation, and the different things. Now let's check out the currencies. There are 7 in-game currencies. All of them will be traded on the Alcor exchange. Gems. Gems are the main currency in the game. Coins. There are 3 type of coins: human coin, elven coin, diamond coin. Crafts are mined only by the relevant faction. Resources: food, gold, and wood. Like I told you before, they are mined by specific factions. Each resources can be mined by any faction, but to mine them you need a tool and a hero trained in the right profession. Example, you have a human faction hero, you can mine a human coin. To be able to mine one of the resources, gold, food, learn the appropriate profession and mine resources with a tool. So these are the further details about all the coins. You can read them about them here. Now let's go to the game. Okay, first of all, when you get to the you can get to that page from here. Let's refresh it. Yeah, play now. So if you select play now, I mean it launched the game for me because I already logged in. So first of all, you're gonna press login, and it's gonna give you an option for Anchor or Vex Cloud Wallet. So you need an account for Anchor or Vex Cloud Wallet. Like I showed you before, you can make an account Vex Cloud Wallet from that guide. So I'm gonna go with Vex Cloud Wallet. So if you just select here, it's gonna lead directly to your Vex wallet, and you can log in from there. After you are done login, this is the page that's gonna show. No, my bad. After you are done login, it's gonna ask you to choose a faction. Like I showed you before, there are 3 factions, so you have to choose a faction: human, elves, or dwarves. After you choose a faction, this is the page gonna show. As you can see, this is purple. This is the insignia for the elves. I've choose the elves. Now let me tell you what are the keys for the hero slot allocation. As you can see, if you go to mine, there are 6 slots that you have to unlock for the 100 days. As you can see here, you have to unlock them. But if you have a key, let me show you. If you stake a key here, confirm. If you stake a key here and let's say reload, and as you can see here, the 2 slots are unlocked now. Just like I told you before, the standard key gives you 2 slots, and the premium key gives you 6 slots, so with no cost. So if you have the keys, you can start mining. So to mine, first of all, you can select the hero. As you can see here, confirm. Then here you can select a tool, then add a profession. As you can see here, the removing a profession binary, so think carefully before choosing. So as you can see, this is a profession hunter. So if I choose it, and then that's it. You can remove it, or it will bind the profession. So you need to be aware of it. You need to select when you are pretty sure that you want to use the profession, and here you can use the tool. Now when you get the NFT, if you buy the NFT from Vex blockchain, let me show you. Atomic Hub. This is their page on the Atomic Hub. As you can see, in the last 24 hours, they did 20,000 worth of Vex sales. You can buy them from here, the tools and the heroes, like I showed you before. If you can buy the heroes from over here, and if you want to get them in the game, it's gonna show over here in the menu in the bank and manage that NFT section, and then all you have to do is select them and then deposit. Then select this button, deposit, and it's gonna transfer them into the game, so you can stake them. Now these are the ship like I showed before. If you have a ship, you can use this to mine resources, to trade and stuff. There's also dragon like I showed you before. If you have a dragon, you can use it here for mining gems. And you can also craft. If you can craft anything here. Like let's say we want to craft a human. Then these are the cost for the craft. These we need 35 gems, and these resources to craft a Alan. And if you want to craft Emma, you need these resources. And for same here, if you want to craft some tools, let's say we want to craft Gemland, then these are the resources we need to craft them. So you can craft them, or you can also upgrade them. Let's say we want to upgrade our bow to the higher legendary, because it's simple right now. They are different legend, different rarities, as you can see here. Rarities are common, uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary. So right now my bow is uncommon. So if I want to upgrade it to common, I need 150 gems. If I have them, I can just upgrade it here. So what I'm trying to say is you can play the game and you can keep upgrading your stuff to get better. And what I'm missing, shares. When you have your resources, you can also share them here to get something else. You can stake resources here to get different things. And that's all from me today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.